Hello, today we will guide you through what is the NotebookLM slide deck limit. To begin, open NotebookLM in your browser. This is where you can work with your notebook content and turn it into different outputs, including presentations. If you already have a notebook prepared, make sure you're inside the correct one before continuing, since the slide deck feature pulls from the notebook you currently have open. Once you're in NotebookLM, look over to the panel on the right side of the screen and click Slide Deck. This option lets you generate a presentation directly from your notebook. It's designed to help you quickly organize your material into slides, which can be useful if you want to summarize research, present notes, or turn a large amount of information into something more visual and easy to share. The important thing to understand here is the slide deck limit. On the free plan, slide decks are limited, which means there is a quota for how many you can generate. This is helpful to know before you start making multiple versions, because each generation can count toward that limit. If you're testing different layouts or making frequent updates, it's a good idea to be intentional so you don't use up your available quota faster than expected. When revising your slide deck, take a careful approach. Every time you generate a revised slide deck, it counts toward your slide deck quota. That means even if you are only making improvements to a version you already created, generating that updated version still uses one of your available slide deck generations. A useful tip here is to make as many changes as possible to individual slides before creating the full revised deck. By reviewing the content closely and batching your edits together, you can reduce unnecessary regenerations and make better use of your quota. Finally, if you reach the limit, NotebookLM will show a message letting you know that you've hit your quota and need to wait for it to reset. This message is simply there to inform you that no more slide decks can be generated until the reset period has passed. If that happens, the best next step is to pause, review your existing deck, and plan any future revisions so you're ready once access resets. That's the key thing to remember about the NotebookLM slide deck limit. The free plan has a cap, revised decks count toward it, and careful editing can help you make the most of what's available.